It was on my bucket list to play a championship course like Fox Harb'r. When you get to be over 40 years old and you can see retirement on the horizon, that's a very good feeling. The freedom of going to do what you want to do every day. There's no feeling like it. My name's Mark Lowe. I'm the president and co-founder of C-Smart Technologies. At this stage of my life, it's nice not to have as many family responsibilities. I'm almost retired. I'm excited to wake up every day and go do what I want to do. Traditionally, I've always had to be on somebody else's schedule. Now I can just go and enjoy myself. Me time is getting away to the golf course, just in the open air, just to think. There's no distractions, no background noise. So we're going to go to Fox Harb'r and we're going to play a round of golf. Fox Harb'r is supposed to be a beautiful course. It's a very exclusive course. Famous golfers have played there. Former presidents have played there. Out by the ocean, you couldn't ask for better.
Welcome to Fox Harb'r Resort, 1,100-acre property that was developed by Ron Joyce. We call ourselves, and we're known for, luxury without pretension.
Today I had the pleasure of being joined by my buddy, Jim. He's a semi-retired golf pro, and he came out here and enjoy the day with me. It takes a lot of patience for Jim to golf with me, and he's been working with me every hole. So there's more to life than just business. And when you get to this stage in your life, you realize that very quickly. It's been a lot of years, a lot of hard work and dedication to get to this point in my life. After being in business for 30 years, it's just nice to do this now. It was on my bucket list. To play a championship course like Fox Harb'r was a really rewarding experience. It's a fantastic feeling. I wouldn't change it for the world.